Okay, everybody, and I am going to be showing you guys my Nerf guns because last time I tried doing it, it failed. Well, that's kind of my first video, kind of. Okay, I'm just gonna redo it because I feel like it. Okay, so I'll just take this thing out. So this is the Nerf Elite crossbolt. This is a modulus. This is a modulus upgrade pack. It's the foldable stealth one. Then I have this 12-round clip that came with it. It shoots pretty hard. I love it. It like shoots hard. And then, okay, let me grab my other one. So that was the Elite crossbow. And now I'm just showing you guys this. I'll do reviews on all of these. I think. I don't know. Okay, this is one of my favorites. Let me just. Sorry, I'm filming on my phone. Sorry if the quality's bad. Let me just. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so this is what came with the. Well, not really came with the gun, but it came with the foldable grip. And this is the little laser red dot thingy. And the gun is a red XV700. Yeah, XV700 Rival Apollo. If you don't know what a rival gun it does, it shoots these little balls. And right now they have the Apollo, the Zeus, let me think, the Chaos, and the Atlas. The Atlas is a shotgun. The Chaos is a kind of, like a rapid strike, if you know what that is. It's a fully automatic rival gun which shoots 40 balls. And then the rival gun is a semi-auto version of this, kind of. And yeah, this is also came with that one pack. Well, yeah, it came with the modulus upgrade pack. And then for one of my favorite guns, let me just take off all the attachments. Okay. This is a big boy. This is the mighty, not really mighty, but Nerf Modulus PCS 10. One of my favorite guns. I have no idea why. This came stock with it. It's a little scope. This came with it. It's a really comfortable grip. This came with a 10-round banana mag. Sorry. This came with it. Let me just do this. Okay. This came with the Stealth Ops upgrade pack. Little silencer. This came with the modulus, the Nerf barrels that go on it. And then the world's worst stock ever. Because it bends and stuff whenever you. It's flexible. But it's good because it holds a magazine. And then I'll show you what it looks like with all of its stuff on it. Let me just put the stuff on it. It looks like a beast. Okay. And if you guys didn't see my last video, go check that out. Okay, let me just. This is what it looks like without, or with all of the attachments. And a gun over there and stuff. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me showing off my favorite Nerf blasters that I have. I have other ones, but like the Maverick, the Sledgefire, one of these Arizona guns. I have a paintball gun somewhere. No. Never mind. I don't have a paintball gun. I have this airsoft gun. Doesn't work. It's broken. And so, yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed. And if you have, go comment down below. Comment down below if you subscribed, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.